A lot of these videos are like, okay, do we all get that and process it to move on? Because we had to go through like cancer. Um, the cure is within, of course, because you weren't injecting yourself with chemicals or drugs to create the cancer. So why would you think that that would be the answer? Unless you're cheating, just like in education, where if we don't create an inspiring format that ignites the drive to learn within children and they get completely bored, or then you cheat and you try to like give them drugs and Ritalin to make them pay attention. So we wanted to review some of these matters like empowerment within education, caring for the children, and as adults, as teachers and parents, being responsible by meeting our needs so that then we are creating that same format for kids. And being responsible as well in the medical arena. Just as an aside, it is very challenging to go to a planet like Earth and then talk about responsibility and health. The tone of it is really to empower from a space of love so that they know they are cared for. And even then, I mean, that improves the receptivity to notice that mental and emotional patterns affect your health. But who knows when people are ready to accept that? And all levels are fine. This is not a race. Earth lifetimes are calm times to learn and grow. There's no race to get to a place of empowerment, such as, for example, noticing that if you hold on to hurt for a long time, then eventually that would eat away at your body and call it cancer. But there again, people sometimes just sweep things under the rug and then just go about trying to be happy and just not, and then just ignoring the pain and then not processing it. So they're coming from, a place in their hearts where they're trying to just be happy. But the whole thing is that, of course, we have to acknowledge that shadow and it needs your love, and shedding light on that part that was feeling hurt and then process that pain. And so it exits and then you're healthy. Then you're not getting cancer. So I think it's just a matter of being fine with that. Okay, so let's move on. Remember, though, that people at Prevention Medical, prevmedical.com, EVE, prevmedical.com, has professionals to help you process that. And also, you can talk to your friends and open up. I think we should all evolve into a society where we're fine with listening to deeper issues of each other. So, in wrapping those two topics as they come to conclusion with education and cancer, in education, wanting to stave off school shootings by transforming education, and then in cancer, helping people to heal. And those two are very similar because they both stem from unprocessed emotions. So the driving force behind both those two is love. We respect where each other is at their own process, at the level and the rate that they are evolving. All levels are fine. And in education, I think we're all on the same page of really caring for children.